right, guys, we got us another truck update. I know it's been like the longest build in history. We are pretty much done. We had one of our close compatriots, Tanner, finish up all of our welding and all of our fab work for it. Lights are in, the weather station's in it. We've got our electronics mounted, computer inside for field processing, all that. So we've got a really beast of a laptop to be able to process maps for Agromo, Pix4D fields, whichever we need to do. Painting is obviously done. Thanks, Grayson. Tanner did our awesome welding. So we've got several options here. We can put our totes in. I wanted this middle part left open so that we could actually have pre-mixed containers put into the truck itself. So a forklift, whichever, skid steer, to where they can raise it up. We've already got mixed materials. Boom, we're done. We are going to mount our hose reel on the side and have this left exposed to where whichever we need to do for the day. So try to leave as modular as possible. Awesome amount of storage on this thing. Tanner did us a great plate back here. We've got us a pole to grab onto to climb up into. We've got the door set up now. Ow, just pinched my finger. And we've got the 40 and the, if you can see in the back, we got the 50, which is now repaired. So we are good to go with it now. This is a little bit of our setup. This is just one of our mini. We still have a little touch-up paint to do back here. But this is just one of our mini builds. We have been fabricating trailers now as well. So I feel like as the years we've done this and all the experience from our failures in the past and all the mistakes we've made as far as trailers, I've seen some really big trailers. I'm just like, guys, you're hamstringing yourself for what these drones are really designed for, which is they're light, they're mobile, they get in places where nobody else can. If you've got a big 30 foot long trailer that's going to weigh 20 to 25,000 pounds, we're not going to be able to get in the places that were the most beneficial. So there's a happy medium. I think this is kind of even bigger for my taste. Typically I like the trailer. My favorite trailer now is an 18 foot. The front half of it's partially closed to where we can lock up our drones, put our generator in there, insulate it for the exhaust and things like that. That also gives us one of our three layers of security that everyone forgets about with drones that you have to be able to provide. So but that part's closed off in the front. It's got a ladder for a second floor observation to go up there. And then it's got the sides that are open to where it can also be loaded with premixed containers. The back end is open. And then, that way for like ventilation and chemicals and things like that. But then we're also able to still have our chemicals, our premix areas, things like that. That total trailer, depending on setup, is running around 30,000. So if you guys want to know information about it, send us a message. But we're building some really awesome trailers that I think are the best in the industry, just because it's kind of a culmination of our past several years of spraying to what I believe is the best for field work and what is able to be the most versatile. So one cool thing that I put on here too, which we're going to have the internal cab of it videoed soon. It's just a little messy now from what we've been doing, but we actually have a portable weather station up top there. So yes, while we use Drone Logbook to pull our Metro report and look at it, we're actually having a mobile weather station on your trailer or truck itself. I think is the best practice, because you're getting actual live, weather and whatnot, readings to be able to see if we need to shut down spraying for the day. So that was a big thing I wanted on there. But that's the control center is in the cab for it. Like I said, with the drone processing software for the laptop and whatnot's in there as well. If you got any questions about it, guys, send us a message and we'll be happy to send you information about it. If you have any suggestions for this thing, send us a message, leave us a comment. Check us on all of our socials, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all that stuffy. And we will keep you guys updated. Thanks, guys.